Multiply 0.6 by 35 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor. 5 times 6 is 30. The first partial product is 30. Now use the next digit to the left, 3. Start one place to the left. 3 times 6 is 18. The second partial product is 180. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 3 plus 8 is 11. Put 1 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 1 plus the carried 1 is 2. The product of the whole numbers is 210. Count the highlighted digit after each decimal point. The factors have one decimal place altogether, so the product needs one decimal place. Place the decimal point one place from the right. 210 becomes 21.0. That is simply 21. So 0.6 times 35 is 21.